next part of our video series, looking at the next part of the Vultr interface, which is Vultr docs. So this is where you get all the information about the entire VPS provider's platform, essentially how to install a fish shell, for instance, for Debian, how to install a direct admin on Debian, how to change your host name on CoreOS. All of these are well documented areas that you can essentially familiarize yourself with if you're really lost about how the entire VPS platform works. And you can see the layout for me is rather very easy. You know, you just click on any of these and it gives you whatever you want. At the moment, we're on the Vultr docs section. So if you're looking for things like popular documentation, for instance, it will give you stuff on how you manipulate data, operating systems, one-click apps, networking, development, game servers. There's even more. If you hit the view more section, it opens up this window here. This window then allows you can do a lot more with it. Just so much information. So reference guides, there's stuff on server apps, there's data management. There's quite a lot. So you can find yourself lost in the documentation section just trying to understand the whole system. But I'm always like a trial and error person. So that's essentially the documentation section. Have a look around this section if you've already logged in. Play around and find any answer to any question. You can submit an article as well, so that's something that again you can do if you wanted to submit your own articles about something that you've done. So it's quite cool like that. It's a little chat button here that allows you to then chat and you get notifications and stuff like that. So that concludes this section on the Vultr docs. I hope you found it useful. So on to the next.